Good morning, everybody. My name is Mike. I'm the District Geotech. Thanks for visiting our materials lab today. And 21st century, right? We're working with emails and phone calls, and sometimes we don't see each other. Just like in here, we have emails and phone calls, but we have invisible barrier between the offices. Sometimes you go to a meeting and then you identify a person. You are the man. Yeah, we talk on the phone, in the emails, but it took 10 years to meet you. You have that aha moment, right? Which is not necessary. So what we try to do is, hey, take the barrier down. Take it down. We are all human being. We have the emotions, right? You want to see you would like to see your smile. By definition, on the Wikipedia, face-to-face interaction is one of the basic elements of the social system, forming a significant part of individual socialization and experience gaining throughout one's lifetime. We have life at home with the kids, husband and wife. Your vacation, there's a life, right? But we have life here as well, at this moment, at work. 8 hours, 9 hours, 10 hours, right? Isn't that a life? Valuable life? Do you want to spend time emails and phone calls but not seeing the person, right? That's why today we are doing a materials function partnering together, hands in hands, face to face, an overview of materials office. Before I begin the presentation, I'd like to show you where you can find these materials, because this presentation file, so later on if you need the presentation, you know where to get it. So the way you get your file is you go to your main office, everybody has access, and then go to offices, and you go District 4, internal, you go materials, so our homepage. Once you get here, this is our the homepage. On the left-hand side, there is a material presentation. You come here, general, because it's a general overview for whole office. You come here, the first one, materials overview. Once you click, you are gonna get this presentation file anytime. All right. So this is a location of the presentation which I'm gonna provide. So, what sections are in materials? People talk about materials. So what sections are in materials? Which one? There are four main sections in materials. So what are those?
Geotechnical.
Good. Number one. Concrete. Good.
Pavement.
All right, good. Last one.
Concrete. Materials operations, right?
Yes, this is correct, but it is correct, but it's a laboratory.
Laboratory.
We do mostly laboratories. We got four major sections in materials. Materials belongs to under the operation, along with the construction, maintenance, traffic ops, and operation centers. So we are here. And organization, like I said, on the Geotech, we have three sections. One is the Geotechnical, earthwork, and aggregate on the Geotech. And the pavement, we have a pavement evaluation and operation, asphalt operation, which are the plants. And the concrete, we have the ready mix and pre-stressed, precast, and timber steel. The last one, the materials operations, district lab, and concrete, contract, and lab qualification, and limbs. Right? So those are the main big picture of materials office. Our materials lab covers both District 4 and 6. District 6 doesn't have the materials lab. We are the ones taking care of both districts. So we belong to both District 4 and 6. As you know, we have a lot of projects going on, 4 and 6 together, right? We are the busiest district, and we have a lot of jobs, a lot of excitements going on, challenging jobs as well. So our goal of our office is strength and longevity of materials. We work together. Geotech, like I said, the pavement and the concrete and the lab, we work together to achieve strength and longevity, right? That's what we want, right? So let's go into the detail of geotechnical section. On geotechnical section, we have here, this is me, and in Geotech we have Adrian, Viala, Matthew. Those are the assistant geotechs, Nitin, Terry, and David. So we have 5 people taking care of 2 districts. However, there's a trick. We have a 4 district-wide contract. Those are extended family, and $1.5 million, and for 5 years for each contract. So we have extended family working together with us, okay? And we have a orthog and aggregate. Joey is the supervisor. And orthog, we have a Chuck, Hector, and Brian. And aggregate, we have Alexis right here, the gentleman over here, and Annie and Matt. So those are the people, about 11 people in Geotech. So what do? We do contract. Like I said, we have a 4 district-wide contract. We manage. We are the TRT members. We do the selections, and also we do the design through ERC. We do the design for 30%, 60%, 100%, all those kind of stuff. And construction. During construction, we go out making sure that contractors are building the way it's supposed to be. And the last one is also maintenance. If there is a sinkhole, depression, we go out, we do the evaluation, and also consulting. So in Geotech, we cover from the beginning to the end. And we have a lot of friends. And pavement, let's jump into a pavement section. On pavement, we have a Jesus. Jesus is the district bituminous engineer. Under him, we have the verification, Terry, Hansel, and Nicholas. And Rosny is in charge of the plant, which is production of asphalt. And under him, we have Faz and Ike. So these are the pavement team. And let's jump to concrete. In concrete, we have Jay. He's the concrete engineer. And they have 2 subsections. One is a plant, field support, and a pre-stress, precast. On the plant, we have Robin, Randall, Ali, Reg, Johnny, and Bacon. We're hiring somebody here soon. And then Gene, Mike, Dave, and Fred. So those are concrete sections. In the lab, the last one is the lab, and we have Ron. Ron is the manager, and then we have a lab inspection for Tony and Audley, and for Lim and Mike support, we have Gene right here, the guru of the the limbs. And the lab production, we have Eves and all technicians. So we have a total of about 50 people, plus minus. About 50, 50, sometimes 49, sometimes 52, right? Those are the total number of people in material. Now, I'm going to throw out some questions to you, all right? So, question number 1. If you observe this kind of sinkhole, looking at your tape, I gave you the hands out, right? The first one was materials office organization, and the remaining 4 pages are for each section. So if you observe this kind of sinkhole, who in materials would you call?
Geotech.
Geotech?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's your reward. Correct answer. And the pavement is just like a covering at the top. So whatever it happens on the ground, it's just the reflection of what is happening on geology, right? So this geotech would be the right section to call. Question number two. you see this kind of issue with the concrete, right? Who do you call?
Oh, you said it. You gave it away. I would call the concrete engineer.
Concrete,
Yeah.
right, yeah. Good job, excellent, excellent. Okay, next. Some kind of.
Oh, I'll call his Caballo.
Wow, great, you guys are genius, genius. Thank you, good, great job, good job. Some kind of soil issue, dirt, yes.
Earthwork and aggregate? No. Okay.
Geotech.
More like materials operate the laboratory, right? Materials
Uh-oh,
operate.
he got us on that one.
If you're not sure, you can call anybody in that table. We are here to help you.
Plan
we are willing to help you. We are a team, and call anybody over there. Any geotech issue, any issue, any materials issue. We are here to help you.
Okay, who do we call?
Save it for me. Just save it.
Yeah, we'll make it happen to you. All right.
We call.
And then what subsections are in geotech section? Remember?
Geotechnical engineering,
Keep going.
earthwork and aggregates.
Wow, you are the champion of the day.
Yes. Thank you.
All right. The last question I have is, how do you find this presentation file?
SharePoint.
Good.
You know, the SharePoint
Be more
process.
specific.
You go
Office?
in, you open up the offices, you go down.
District 4.
District 4, we click,
Internal?
click, and then we're there.
After you click, after you go to District 4 webpage, you go down to the materials office page and
Yes.
click on that, then go to the left-hand side and go down
Presentation.
and press the presentation. Then it takes you to the SharePoint page, and then you click the first one on top.
Yes.
Bingo. Good job. Thank you. Wow, a lot of memory. Okay, I'd like to thank everybody coming to our materials office. We are friends, we are a team. You know, if you guys need anything, just you can come anytime. You guys are welcome to our office. We treat you as our extended family, and we are the family. And thank you, everybody.
All right.